Kirori College, located in Delhi, has received an overall rating of 4.3 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BA courses offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements, which are rated 3.7. According to the NIRF 2024, 1,714 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2022-23. With 21% securing placements, majority of the students, around 60%, opted for higher studies, an increase over the last 3 years. The highest salary offered in 2024-25 academic session was 23 lakh per annum, while median salary stood at 7.2 lakh per annum. Compared to other DU colleges like Sri Ram College of Commerce and Hansraj College, the median salary offered at Kirori College is on par. Recruiters like Accenture, KPMG, DE Shaw, Zomato and Deloitte offered roles such as oceanographer, cartographer, professor, teacher and content writer. Internships with law firms, government agencies, international relation forums, EY India, Niti Aayog, DE Shaw are available, providing stipends between 10,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees. Shifting focus to academics, where the BA course at KMC rated 4.2 offers both BA program and BA honours with 8 specializations available in the honours track. And admission requires at least 45% in class 12th, with accepted entrance exams being CUET. A quick look at the 2024 CUET cutoffs reveal intense competition in political science compared to other specializations in BA. Talking about the cost, the program fee for 3 years is between 46,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees, and hostel fees amounts to about 1.58 lakhs. Scholarships are awarded under reserved category. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4 stars. KMC's campus, spread over an area of 15 acres, is Wi-Fi enabled and features ICT classrooms, seminar rooms, a library and IT labs. There are hostel facilities for boys with plans for a girls' hostel coming up. The mess food is good and the canteen offers affordable, high-quality meals. The college also has sports facilities for badminton, football, volleyball, table tennis and more. Now, regarding the faculty and course, rated 4.3 stars. KMC's faculty members are highly qualified. A minimum attendance of 67% is required to sit for exams and the passing percentage is 63%. The college has collaborated with institutions like St. Xavier's Mumbai, Saksham, Sri Ram Institute of Industrial Research, Huddersfield. Switching gears to the 4.5-star rated Campus Life. KMC's Campus Life includes cultural societies, student empowerment clubs and a range of events like the annual cultural fest, that is Renaissance. The campus also hosts seminars, workshops and conferences. Lastly, Kirori College holds the 9th rank in the NIRF 2024 college category. For more details on Kirori College, located in Delhi, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.